I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube location for worldwide. We can see which type of video are trending worldwide. So let's get started. First of all, open your YouTube application using your Android mobile or iOS device. Open. Then click to in your sign up. Sign in your YouTube account for using your Gmail ID. So finally my YouTube application is ready to you. Just click YouTube icon and go to your setting. I am already click my YouTube icon. So finally here we can going to click settings, and now you click on general settings, and finally we reach YouTube location. Click open it. Location, YouTube location, United States. I have already clicked to United States. So here we can see many location of country, but you can choose your religion country. I choose United Kingdom here. So finally we can change YouTube location. For more types of videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Hope you guys like it this video. Thank you.